Comes a couple of my birds. I don't know if you could see them flying. There goes one, landing on a neighbor's house. It's dark out. Here comes another one right here. They were flying for about an hour and a half, 2 hours almost. Here comes one. Still missing two. They went up in the pins, and here comes the other one. Still missing two of them. They went up in the pins and didn't come down until two just came down. And there's still missing two. There's three there. Come on. Oh man, I hope that's the young grizzle I just got. I'd be happy. Freaking cock chasing that bird, won't let him come in. Come on. Come on in, guys. I'll be quiet for 2 seconds and see what happens. There goes one on top of the coop. Flying down, going in. Here comes another one. Come on, schmuck, get in there. Here comes another one. See him on the edge there. It's a little dark, but he came down. There he goes, he's walking in. There's one more. Come on, buddy. Here he comes, here he comes. Friggin' mosquitoes out here are killing me. Come on, Yo-Yo, get in there. Come on. I gotta be careful. I come home from work and start flying them at 5:30, 5:45. I leave a little early to job, and I get home to let the birds out, and they're flying into the night, when it gets dark. Not a good thing, I guess. Here comes the other one. Come on, go in. Come on. I know you can't see him. He's up on the trap there. Alright, well, no sense of standing here getting bit up by mosquitoes. Oh wait, here he comes. Come on down. There he goes, he just flew down. Go in, baby. He's walking, you might be able to see him walking in. There he goes, walking in. Go inside. And he's in. Okay, cool. Still missing two.